Think like a successful person. The book explains how should we think, encapsulates a mindset and approach that can greatly contribute to achieving one goals and aspirations. It involves adopting the thoughts, patterns, habit, attitude commonly found in an individual which has achieved a high level of success in their respective field. Here are some key principles that are often associated with thinking like a successful person. First, positive mindset. Successful individual tries to maintain the positive and optimism's outlook of life and challenge. They focus on the possibilities and solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Second, clear goals. Successful people sets clear, specific, achievable goal. They know what they want and create actionable plans to reach their objectives. Third, persistence and resilience. Success rarely comes without subsets. Successful individuals are resilient in the face of challenges and failure. They review obstacles as opportunity to learn and grow rather than as roadblock. Number 4, continuous learning. A commitment to long life learning is the hallmark of successful people. They seek out knowledge, stay curious, and adapt to new information and trend. Number 5, time management. Successful individuals prioritize their time and tasks effectively. They understand the values of the time, allocate it wisely to activates the align with their goals. Number 6, networking and relationships. Building and nurturing meaningful relationship is crucial for success. Successful people understand the power of networking and collaboration to create opportunities and support their endeavors. Number 7, innovations and creativity. Think out the box and embarrassing innovations is common in rare full individuals. They are open to new ideas and approaches which can lead to the breakthrough. Number 8, taking calculated risk. Success often involves stepping out one of the comfort zone and taking calculated risk. Successful people are willing to face uncertainty and seize opportunities that align with their goals. 9. Self discipline. Successful individuals exhibit strong self discipline and self control. They are able to manage their impulses and stay focused on their priorities. Number 10. Gratitude and mindfulness. Practicing gratitude and being present in the moment are the qualities often associated with the successful people. They appreciate their achievements and they're grounded in minds of their number 11, adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing the circumstances and pivot when the necessary is available, right? Successful individuals are agile and open to adjusting their strategies as needed. Number 12, giving back. Many successful individuals believing in giving back to their communities or causing they are the passionate about. They understand the importance of contributing positively to the society. In other words, thinking like a successful person is not about replicating someone else's path, but rather about realizing their principles and tailoring them to one's own unique goals and circumstances. It's about cultivating a mindset that supports growth, resilience, and a proactive approach to achieve one's